Hi everyone, welcome to my 3 tips to help you ease neck pain. So obviously this excludes if you've got an ongoing medical condition or if you suspect that it's something that requires your GP's advice. We're talking here about tension, about muscular pain, about knowing that you're raising your shoulders and you're tightening your shoulder muscles. So these are my top 3 tips to help tackle that neck pain, tackle that shoulder pain, and hopefully see a result from the point on of using that. Obviously when you stop, the pain might come back, but it's about making sure that when you do have that tension in your neck, you can use one of these 3 tips and see a quick result. So first of all, it's about investing in the massage product, so the electrical, if you like, massage product that works for you. So this is an iPod cushion that you'll have seen me use before and I really like it. So these cushions, you get the massagers that go around your neck, you get the handheld massagers. These are great because you can basically hook them wherever you need. So in theory, your neck's here and these are massaging shiatsu massage style into those tight, sore muscles in your neck. And you can move the pillow up and down your back and can really help to tackle that and encourage your shoulders to relax and everything just to almost switch off and come back down to normal again. Because remember, we're talking about neck pain caused by tension. So with all of these styles of massagers, you can normally vary the direction, but you can also, if you're lucky, have some of the infrared heat too. Now that's the infrared that's on there, but I don't know if you can actually see it. It's only when I hold my hand over it I can see that's the infrared, but that means you're getting a little bit of heat there, and a little bit of heat in conjunction with this style of massage is going to help ease that tension, that muscular tension. Now for my second and third tips, I need a model, so 1 second and my model shall be on the bed. Tip 2 is if you have an achy neck and it's sort of, you can tell again, the tension is just right here and sometimes you've raised your shoulders and you don't even realise that you're doing it, then consider investing in a wheat pack. So the wheat pack can go into the microwave, just a couple of minutes to heat up, again following the manufacturer's instructions, and then you can just sit that around your neck and you can either relax and take some time out for yourself, or I have seen people, and I can't blame them for doing it because they're busy, just pop it round their neck and then go about their business. So if you were working in the office and it was okay to do so, but you did have that particularly sore neck, then use the wheat pack and sit at your desk and continue on with your day. Chances are though, if you are in the office and your neck's sore, it could be worth checking that it's not your chair or your posture that's causing it. But the wheat pack is another very effective way of helping to loosen any tightness, any tension that's causing that neck pain. And then finally, use a product that's designed to ease aching muscles. So here we've got the Hermana Muscle Balm. So you also get things, you'll be familiar with products such as Tiger Balm. You have Songbird Naturals Muscle Balm, I believe. So there's a lot of them. So these are the more natural versions because they contain your different ingredients such as here, rosemary, eucalyptus, marjoram. You get some products that also warm up on the skin too. So what you would do is just take a little bit of your product, again, follow manufacturer's instructions. So for instance here, the instructions are to warm a small amount in your fingertips, allow the balm to melt and then massage into that aching or tense muscle. They also say these are quite good pre and post workout, but not to use these on broken skin because they are quite potent. But if you're lucky you can get someone to do this for you, but if you need to do it yourself, just ease that aching muscle and apply that product. And if you can, if it's your neck, if someone can just scoop it for you, the scooping action is very soothing. If it's your shoulders, again, just a gentle scoop. But if you're just on your own or you're at work again, don't worry, these particular brands aren't potent, so you don't need to worry that if you're out and about, it smells so strong that people are wondering exactly what it is you're wearing. They're not that strong. They're effective, but they won't actually counteract with anything that you're wearing. But if you're just on your own or you just need to pop it on and get on with your day, then just massage it just in strokes or in circular motions into that area that you feel is particularly uncomfortable and really target that tightness. So those are my 3 tips for helping to ease muscle pain in the neck. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you do that works for you when you've got that tension in your neck, that tightness in your shoulders, and I will see you soon.